Welcome to Drawlipar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change color palette in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen. After that, tap on wallpaper and the style option. Now from here at the bottom you can see color palette option, then just tap here and that's it. Now from here you can customize or change your phone color palette. Here you can see two options, wallpaper colors and basic colors, and you can choose any option as you like. If you want to set any color palette from wallpaper colors, just tap on wallpaper colors, and here you can see so many options and you can choose any option as you like. If you want to set this color palette, just select it and then tap on apply option. From here you can see preview and give it a moment and it's done. Now just tap here again and you can see in my phone color palette has been changed successfully, and you can see it's changed successfully, and that's it. And that is how you can change color palette in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.